Point 7. Crossing the road. A. Listen, repeat and sing. Want to cross a busy road? Watch out how the traffic goes. Cars and buses coming fast. Wait a bit and let them pass. Look left and right. The saying goes. Then smartly walk across the road. B. Look and say, cross, busy, watch, buses, wait, traffic, smartly, across. C. Look, listen and repeat. We follow the traffic signals. We walk on the footpath. We never board a running bus. We always use zebra crossing.